Hi guys, so today we're gonna check out some cycling gear. So we all know na importante yung function ng cycling gear natin, hindi lang siya pang forma. And syempre comfort yung hanap natin. So today I decided to check out this brand called Attaquer. So they're an Australian brand. You can actually check out their website, ang ganda yung mga stuff nila. But this one I didn't get through their website. I got it through Kitted PH. So you can actually check their website, Kitted PH, and yung social media accounts nila, they're on Instagram, to check out what they currently have. So the reason I got it from Kitted PH was mas mabilis kasi. Kumbaga, I don't have to wait for the shipping kasi galing pa ang Australia, so it might take some time. Pero let's check out the bib set. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano itsura ng in-order ko. So, ito siya. Attaquer. Ito na yung Attaquer. Let's check it out. Yung kinuha ko actually was a bib set, yung all day line. I think that's what it's called. So there, Attaquer. Be your alter ego. So yeah, I got the all day one. So nakikita natin, let's open it up. Medyo makapal actually yung padding niya, which is always good. Syempre ayaw natin nasaktan yung puwet natin during our long rides. Pretty nice. So, yun, meron tayo ng reflectorized nga dito. Attaquer. On the other side also. Ito natin yan. And actually has yung sa legs natin, yung parang power band. So, ito importante para hindi umaangat yung suot natin, di ba? Pag nagsa-cycling tayo, hindi siya umaangat, tapos hindi ka nawe-wedgie or walang chafing. So, cool. Meron pa siyang nakalagay sa loob. Be your alter ego. Mamaya testingin natin siya. And yeah, I got a small. Zoom. Small yung size na kinuha ko. Sana kasha. Testingin again natin later. And all day collection. So yeah. So ayan. Website, Attaquer Cycling Australia. So yung website nila. You can check them out and then check nyo kung meron siya sa Kitted PH. Para mas mabilis nyo magkukuha yung mga order ninyo. Ang maganda kasi dito, alam ko, yan. It's an Australian brand, pero makikita ninyo na, I don't know if it says they're made in Italy. Taking some time to zoom in and focus. Yan. Made in Italy yung fabrics natin. So, alam mo, maganda yung quality niya and very breathable naman yung mesh niya. So, syempre, importante yan dahil pinagpapawisan tayo palagi. And then, hindi siya sobrang nipis, no? Pero yan, you can see my face through it. So, importante yan, at least yung sweat natin, hindi naiipon. Sweat wicking, kumbaga. And let's turn it inside out. Let's check. Inside. Yan. Yung padding natin, syempre, meron din siya nakalagay na Attaquer. So, yan. Attaquer All Day Bib Set. Available siya sa Kitted PH. Order kayo doon. And, yan, ganda niya tingnan. Sukatin natin siya kung magkakasya. again, this is the Attaquer All Day Cycling Bib. So, can't wait to try it out this weekend sa ride. Mukhang okay naman, maganda yung feel niya sa balat. Hindi siya mainit. And saktong tight lang yung fit niya. So, hindi siya maluwag para walang chafing. Hindi ka magkakapagtos anywhere. Pero again, let's test it out this weekend. And I think it's okay. So, bye guys!